Hi, my name is Paul, and my wife and I, we own the Low Carb Grocery, and today I'm going to show you how to make these instant pho noodles by Miracle Noodle. And what's great about this is that it's really easy to make. There's virtually no prep required. All you need is a glass of water, technically, but I'm going to show you how I kick it up a notch to make it even better. I'm going to open this up and show you what's inside. So inside you'll see that there's going to be a packet of noodles. And also there is a sauce packet, that's your pho broth, we'll add that later. Let's just go here and open it and rinse it out. Okay. And I'm going to throw them into the pan. Don't need any oil or anything like that, just throw it in. Okay. Now from here, what we do is we add some water, after a glass of water. And we're going to empty that packet of the pho broth concentrate, and we're going to cover to boil. So while we're waiting for this to boil, let me just kind of show you a couple of features of this product. It's gluten-free, it's vegan, it's dairy-free, and it's grain-free. It's 40 calories per serving, although I think there's 2 servings per bag, so let's just say that's going to be under 100 calories. Okay. These are made with Shirataki Noodles. Shirataki Noodles are a very low calorie or 0 calorie, depending how much you consume, noodle that's made from a vegetable, okay? And so, so what's nice about this is that it's much lower in carbs, and everything I'm gonna do today adds very little or negligible amounts of carbs to the meal itself. So they're very filling because of the fiber. It's really great if you're in a time crunch to make a meal. So this is boiling now, and you can see, looks kind of like an instant noodle, doesn't it? And I can already smell the broth. It smells really good. This is my favorite ready-to-eat meal. Now I talked about how I'm going to kick this up a notch. You could serve it like this. It's vegan in this form, but I like beef, so beef pho. So I'm going to put in some beef slices into here. Okay. And your local butcher may already offer thinly sliced beef, so you can use that. And just cook that in for flavor. On top of that, the other thing that I like to do is put in some garnishes. If you ever go to a Vietnamese pho restaurant, they always put in a green onion and cilantro. And in case you didn't know, the most tasty part is this part here. So we want to make sure we get a lot of that in there. I'm just going to dice it here. And put as little or as much as you want. I like to put a lot in there. Just throw it on top. And cilantro. Some people don't like cilantro. I would allow people to add their own cilantro if you're making it for your family or for friends. Just throw that in. And this stuff cooks really quickly, okay? The green onion, cilantro, you're really just stirring it in. And you even don't need the beef to cook all the way, because the beef will continue to cook even after it's served. And now that it's done, all we gotta do is transfer it to a bowl. This can be tricky, but let me get lucky here. There you go. And there is my Miracle Noodle Pho. Thanks for watching. Check out lowcarbgrocery.com. Thanks.